bored in the home, then hold a Priya with me. So I thought let's make a small ride, you know. I'm getting bored anyways, so why not? So yeah, I'm gonna take some corners, enjoy, and yeah, I will talk some about story time, maybe life, something about life. Okay, I'm stuck. Now he's gonna get me or what? I'm in corner lane, man. Go past me from the far side. I'm not even speeding. I'm cruising at 3000 RPM. Wow. People are down fast. Everyone is looking why I'm driving so slow. What the fuck, bro? I can't even drive normal. That's funny, that's funny. Oh man, I miss this bike. I love this bike. I seriously love this bike. The way it is heighted and the way it rides, that's aggressive, and the way it rolls. Yeah, a lot of people like to take advantage of other. If you say every time yes, and I hate Sunny. This thing is loud as hell. Loud as hell. Shit. What is it? This shit is loud as hell. Back to the topic, let me slow down a little bit. So, you know, a lot of people like to take advantage of others. And recently I'm feeling this, I get feeling this, recently I feel this, like, you know, people like to play with other people's emotions. So, I learned one thing recently. Don't say every time yes to everything. You know, sometimes it's okay to say no. I'm a very simple guy, you know. I used to say yes to everything. Okay, this thing, okay, I will do it. You need help, okay, I will come. It doesn't matter how far I am, I will come to help him. It doesn't matter. So, I'm experiencing this thing, you know. Whenever you help someone and afterwards, after a few days, they will talk trash about you, you know. And then you will feel like, oh man, I helped him. So now play a song. Man, this bike is loud. Loud as loud. I get the sideline feeling, and then you will regret it. Why did you help him? I taught a lot of people my, you know, small tricks here and there, my work tricks, my PC tricks, my bike tricks, and later on they will talk like as if they know it from their mother or something, and then they will talk about trash. Oh, this guy doesn't know any shit, man, you're literally copying my work and you're talking trash about me. That's funny now. At least have some respect, you know. I'm not saying I'm a genius guy or I learned everything by myself. No man, no way. You know, I learned from others and I always trade from them. As example, in bike things, Mike is my master, I can say it. He taught me everything. You know, he taught me every single shit. Even electronic ECU, whatever. He taught me. He taught me how to tune it. He taught me everything. So I cannot talk about trash about him. Yeah. So same thing goes around, you know. If I'm teaching you something, at least have some respect for me. After that feeling, you will not help others, you know. This is what is going to destroy the feeling. Yeah. You cannot be nice to everyone then. You know, you will think, oh man, this guy, you know, he fucked me before, so how can I trust someone else? He's going to also fuck me, you know, sometimes in future. So this is shit feeling, man. This is shit feeling, literally shit feeling. Oh, favorite corner is coming. Second gear, ready. Nothing was there. This is the most fun thing, yeah. Oh yeah. People will never learn, and you cannot trust everyone. You know, people are toxic, I know. Whether how well you treat them, how good you are, it does not matter. It does not matter at all. In future, he's going to bite you. He's going to bite you at any cost. He's going to show others he's king, whatever. And I'm happy, man. Show off to others. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. If you're showing off to others, man, if you're king or whatever, I don't give a fuck. At least have some respect, you know. I taught you the computer shit, you know. I taught you my work. Some respect about the work and get on. That backfire is crazy. It's fucking crazy. No, yeah, I was talking about one blocker. So he bought a recently, I think he's an Indian blocker, and he's an blocker. He bought the MV Gusta RC F3 800. Again, the race edition version. And you know, Indian bloggers are the most funniest blogger I've ever watched. They don't know shit and they talk a lot. So what he said in that video, and if you're taking a corner, whether it's first gear, second gear, doesn't matter, you cannot shift, otherwise you will break your leg. That's funny, man. That's funny. At least do a research. If you cannot do it, okay, you're maybe what to say, man. Even in, and he was not even cornering it, you know. It's funny. Wait, I will show you the body position of his. Okay, wait a minute. I have to show that body position. Whole body is like, you know, he's like this. Oh shit, man! Corner. Oh, that's funny. You're literally not taking corner. You're just, you know, hanging off your bike, and you're talking about your leg is going to touch the road. Fuck. Now That's funny. Fucking loud. It's actually too fucking loud. It's it got a lot of attention. People will turn around their face and they will look what is going on, where the sound is coming on. That's what this bike is all about. The video. People are not going to learn anything. And a lot of people are toxic, so you have to be careful, You don't know who's your friend, who's your enemy. Okay guys, I'm going to end. I will see you on the next one. Take care and ride safe. And maybe we'll enjoy a little bit fun on this road. This road is empty, but I don't think so.